Hello folks, it's gonna be a brief tutorial on how to install the Lua language on your Termux app on your smartphone. And to begin with, let's type package, install Lua, and I have to specify the version, Lua 5.3 or Lua 5.3 as it's known here, and hit enter. And spoiler alert, I have everything pre-installed. So now let's try the Lua interpreter by typing Lua and then print hello world, and oh sorry, I forgot the to close the bracket. Okay, so now I can exit the interpreter by typing os.exit, and that's about it. That's how to run tiny Lua scripts on your phone. Now, if you wanna write longer scripts, you'll need a text editor like Nano, and you can install it using package install Nano. Then let's create a new file. Let's call it nano new, or let's call it hello dot lua. Let's type hello world again. And let's save it. Control and X. Yes. Now enter. So now let's run the script by typing Lua hello dot Lua. And as you can see, we have the string typed on the terminal, hello world. Hope you like the video. See you soon.